Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can hide your city on your Yubo account. To do so, first of all, open up your Yubo, and after opening up Yubo, you just have to go into your profile avatar, which is on the top right side of the screen. From here, go on to settings again on the top right side of the screen. Now go on to safety and privacy. Here you'll see an option for location. Now if you want to hide your city, you can just enable hide my city option, and now we are able to hide your city in your Yubo account while it is displayed to others. And that is how you can hide your city on Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.